In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this text masking effect using Photoshop. So let's get started. And as you can see, this is the final output. So we are back inside Photoshop and let's look at the photo. So this is the original photo and the font I'm using in this effect is Berlin Sans FB Demi. So these are the fonts, and the thing I'm going to do is remove the background, and for that right click here and select quick selection tool, and also I'm gonna make it a bit smaller. So that's it. Let's make the selection of this photo, and the guide is really simple photo to cut out. The selection is done, and now after that go and click the layer mask. So this is there. Now I'm gonna go and fix the selection around here. Right click, select and mask. Now I'm going to paint around the hairs. Here you go. Okay, so it looks good. Then hit OK, and now let's add a white background. Now since it's a background, put it under your model. Then right click here and then select the paint bucket tool, and in the color make sure you have white color. Then fill back the layer with white color. In case we screw up something and we need to fix the selection again, for that purpose I'm gonna make a backup of this layer. So now select the layer and press Ctrl J. And after that I'm gonna type the word. So for the selection tool, select a type tool, but make sure that you select vertical type because it will automatically type vertically, because we need vertical text. And make sure that your fonts. So for the font color I'm gonna select black color because it will be more visible for you. Alright, so that's okay. Confirm it and press OK. I'm gonna make the text a little bit bigger. You can also use Ctrl T or use Shift key, and also you can add manually the numbers for the text and how big you want your text. Remember that B for the bold, that this word B goes a bit outside. Okay, and now it looks good, and actually I'm going to go back and make the level 0 even smaller. So now as you can see that I'm spending a lot of time making the font and photo bigger and smaller. That's because I have to make sure the photo is a bit bigger than the word, so it covers the entire word, and that's really important to keep that. It is that really important, so keep that in mind. Now the first thing I will do is activate the layer mask of my model. So for that, select my brush tool. After activating layer mask, select my brush tool, and in the color make sure it's black color. Then right click and make sure your hardness is, and make sure the hardness is 100%. I'm gonna remove everything that's inside the round letters and everything that's on the left side of the letters. So just it's everything like this. And when it's come in between the letters, just take your best guess. And after that, I need selection of the word bold. So make sure the layer mask here is activated. After that, hold your control key, then press on the icon, text icon, thumbnail, and then click OK. After that, go to select, then go to select, modify and expand. Here the numbers depends on resolution of your photo, but an average, I think it's 10-15 pixels should be good. Alright, and after that, make sure the layer mask is active. We have to select black color here and then press Alt backspace. So everything that's inside the selection will be erased. Then go to select and deselect. The last thing we have to do is make a copy of this layer, put it on top of the word bold. Right click on the layer mask and then select delete layer mask. Alright, and now you can see the whole image. After that, right click here and then select create clipping mask, so the photo will only show up inside the word. And the final effect is ready now, guys. And in case if your photo looks a bit dull or the color is not accurate, you can also adjust the colors, even your model colors and layers, the text color also you can modify according to your choice. Hit the like button, and if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, you can ask me in the comments section below. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye, take care and have some fun with your Photoshop.